Welcome to our presentation on selecting the proper robot for the right application. Today, we will cover the essential steps in selecting the right robot for specific applications. Our objectives include understanding the importance of robot selection, the steps involved in making an informed decision, and reviewing real-world examples. Selecting the correct robot for your application is crucial. It significantly impacts productivity and efficiency, helping you achieve optimal results. Moreover, making the right choice can save costs in the long run by reducing downtime and maintenance expenses. We're gonna run through 8 different robot characteristics. All of them are important and necessary to go through before making an informed decision. Also, while exploring the first 5 characteristics, I will give you short hints in regards to which robot family responds best to specific technical needs. A technical outline of all robot families can be found at these parts of the video, right after all key characteristics are briefly summarized. Let's go! Start by understanding the specific tasks the robot needs to perform. What are the desired outcomes? Be it welding, painting, material handling, palletizing. Pick and place, packaging, assembly, inspection, we have you covered. The last 4 applications are the best environments for the presented robots. Once you've figured out the right application type, consider the environmental conditions in which the robot will operate. This includes factors like temperature, humidity, and cleanliness. Also, take into account any space constraints that might affect the robot's operation. Step 2 involves analyzing the complexity of the task. Determine the level of precision required for each task. CR series robots are better for simple assignment, while FR series robots, the complex ones. Additionally, consider the frequency and duration of these tasks. Understanding the complexity will help you decide on the type and capabilities of the robot needed. Step 3 is to evaluate the payload and reach requirements. Determine the maximum weight the robot will need to handle. Also, consider the reach required to complete tasks effectively. This includes evaluating the 3D workspace within which the robot will operate. Next, in Step 4, we focus on the speed and precision requirements. Identify how fast the robot needs to operate to meet your productivity goals. Understanding the moment of inertia is essential, as it affects the robot's ability to handle loads at different speeds and orientations. This includes assessing how the weight distribution of the payload influences the robot's motion stability and control. If the robot is unable to manage the inertia effectively, it may lead to inefficient or even unsafe operations. Safety and compliance are paramount in Step 6. Melfa Safe Plus provides configurable safety zones and monitoring capabilities, enabling the robot to operate within predefined boundaries, thereby reducing the risk of accidents. Integrating this safety layer ensures the robot complies with necessary safety standards, allowing for safe collaboration with operators and maximizing productivity without compromising safety. For robotic applications, CC-Link IETSN enables high-speed data transfer, ensuring real-time communication for rapid detection and response to safety risks. The CC-Link IETSN safety network supports safety-critical communication, enabling seamless interaction between robots and other safety devices. Additionally, precise network synchronization minimizes delays, enhancing overall safety reliability. By ensuring compliance with industry standards, CC-Link IETSN facilitates seamless integration with other equipment, optimizing system performance. Melfa Basic 6 is the dedicated programming language for Mitsubishi Electric's Melfa robots, enabling precise task execution and control. It supports standardized communication protocols like Ethernet IP, CC-Link, Profinet, and EtherCAT, ensuring interoperability with various systems and devices. Its open architecture allows easy integration with external equipment, while compatibility with the Mitsubishi IQ platform enables robots to work within broader automation environments. Additionally, backward compatibility ensures smooth upgrades without disrupting existing systems. Finally, we perform a cost-benefit analysis in Step 8. Compare the initial investment required for purchasing the robot with the long-term benefits it offers. Consider not only the purchase cost, but also installation, operational, and maintenance costs. Conduct a return on investment (ROI) analysis to ensure the robot provides tangible benefits and justifies the expenditure. Now let's move on to the General Robots division. The categories are industrial and collaborative. The second division is based on robots' mechanical structure and configuration. This categorization focuses on the design and movement capabilities of the robot arm or mechanism, which directly affect how the robot moves, its degrees of freedom, and the types of tasks it can perform. Now, let's briefly discuss all types of robots offered by Mitsubishi Electric. The Mitsubishi Electric RVFR series consists of 6-axis articulated robots designed for a wide range of industrial applications, including assembly, packaging, and quality inspection. With multiple axes of movement, these robots are highly flexible, capable of handling complex tasks with precision. They are suitable for medium to heavy-duty applications requiring adaptability across different types of workflows. The RHFR series is Mitsubishi Electric's line of SCARA robots, Selective Compliance Assembly Robot Arm, known for their speed and accuracy in operations along the horizontal plane. These robots are typically used for high-speed pick and place, packaging, and light-duty assembly applications where vertical and rotational flexibility is less critical. The SCARA design allows them to operate efficiently in compact spaces and complete rapid, repetitive tasks. Mitsubishi's CRL series robots are designed for complex tasks, delivering unmatched accuracy and efficiency to enhance productivity in any application. Their parallel link structure enables fast, precise movements within limited spaces, ensuring seamless integration into diverse workflows across industries like automotive, electronics, and packaging. With a delta design that minimizes inertia, these robots achieve extremely quick cycle times, supporting high-speed, lightweight pick and place applications. Engineered for long-term reliability with minimal maintenance, the CRL series maximizes operational uptime while optimizing efficiency. The RHC-RH series from Mitsubishi is a line of compact SCARA robots designed for applications where space is limited, but precision and speed are essential. These robots are an economical choice for lightweight, high-speed operations, offering SCARA functionality with a smaller footprint. The RHC-RH series balances speed, precision, and efficiency, making it well-suited for industries with strict space constraints. The Melfa Assista is Mitsubishi Electric's collaborative robot, designed to work safely alongside human operators without requiring physical barriers. This 6-axis articulated robot combines precision with advanced safety features like force-limiting sensors, enabling safe human-robot interaction in shared workspaces. Its intuitive programming interface and user-friendly setup make it highly adaptable for various collaborative applications. Integrating FR series robots into heavy-duty applications enables them to handle large payloads with exceptional precision and stability. These robots excel in demanding industries such as automotive manufacturing, shipbuilding, and construction, where high-performance automation is critical. Their rugged design ensures durability and consistent performance, reducing downtime in high-intensity operations. With advanced capabilities, the FR series enhances productivity while maintaining reliability in even the most challenging environments. Thanks for tuning in. Choosing the right robot can transform your operations, so remember to consider your specific needs. With the right insights, you'll find the perfect match to boost productivity and efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making automation work for you.